Imagine looking out of an airplane window, but instead of clouds, you see cliffs. An endless, dead gray desert just a couple of kilometers away. You're not in space. This is the moon descending from the heavens to pay us one final visit. Many people think it would be beautiful. In reality, it has the most spectacular way to wipe out humanity. In the next few minutes, we will live through the last day of Earth. Why will the oceans fly upward? How will the moon turn into a burning ring? And why will you become almost weightless a second before the end? Fasten your seatbelts. We're heading straight into the epicenter of a catastrophe physicists call the Roche limit. At a distance of 10,000 meters, the moon stops being an object in the sky. It becomes the sky itself. Solar eclipses now last for hours, and wherever its shadow falls, an icy night descends. But darkness isn't the main problem. Gravity is. The moon has always pulled on our oceans, creating tides. Now the pull increases millions of times over. The ocean no longer merely rises at the shore, it rears up. A colossal 5-kilometer high wall of water races along beneath the moon's path, erasing entire countries as if they were drawn in chalk on a blackboard. You thought water was the worst of it? No, the moon's gravity begins to tug at Earth's crust itself. The planet starts to breathe. Solid ground beneath your feet rises and falls by tens of meters, triggering earthquakes beyond anything the Richter scale has ever seen. Then something strange happens. If the moon is directly overhead, you'll feel light. Your weight will drop almost to zero. For a moment, you could jump higher than the roof of a house. This isn't a superpower, it has physics in its death throes. And now the climax. The moon can smash into Earth like a billiard ball. At this distance, the Roche limit takes over. Earth's gravity becomes stronger than the gravity holding the moon together as a single body. Before your eyes, the satellite begins to fall apart. Billions of tons of rock and dust form a gigantic, glowing ring. The sky turns blood red as the debris enters the atmosphere and burns, turning the air into searing plasma. We are no longer a planet of life, we are Saturn on fire. If this ever happened, we wouldn't stand a chance. Yet there is a terrifying beauty in the disaster. Earth would gain rings at the cost of all life. We often take the moon for granted, that quiet lantern in the night. But it is our faithful guardian, staying at a safe distance so that we can keep living. Write in the comments what if you would like the next episode to be about. While